How to change your passport on Facebook. If any day you would like to change your passport on Facebook, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch Facebook on your mobile device. After you launch your Facebook on your mobile device, now go to your profile section on the top right. After you go to the profile section on the top right, now you will see a screen like this. Now you have to go to the option of settings and privacy. After going to the option of settings and privacy, you have to scroll and see whether settings and privacy are all right or not. After you scroll and check, now you have to go to the option of search, and in the search option you have to tap change passport, and after you tap the very option out there in the search section, you will see a very screen like this. After that you have to tap on change passport. After you tap on change passport, you will see an interface like this. Now after you see an interface like this, you have to type on your current passport, and you also need to type on the new passport that you want to keep. You have to type the new passport very nicely. After that, you also need to retype your new passport out there. After you type your new passport, now you have to go to the option of change the passport, and after you tap on the option of change the passport, your very passport will be changed. Thank you for watching our video, and if you liked our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.